Hi, in front of me is Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on More Connection Settings right away. Following that, select Print section, click on Default Print Service, or tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Then just tap on one of your services and wait. Your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!